Hello viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today in this video, we will show you that how social media platforms are making money. However, before we start our countdown, we would appreciate it if you would subscribe to our YouTube channel and also press the bell icon. So let's get started. Everyone knows that social media companies make money from advertisements. But how exactly does that work? Do ads affect how social media companies are run? Social media has done an incredible job leveraging the internet and connecting the world like never before in human history. How do social media companies make money? When we're talking about social media, by and large, we're talking about a select few companies who all compete in the attention economy. It's called the attention economy because all social media companies are competing to capture user attention. Under its corporate umbrella, Meta is the biggest social media company in the world. Meta owns the social media companies Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and WhatsApp. While Twitter, Reddit, TikTok, LinkedIn, Snapchat, and YouTube all compete for market share. Here are some ways through social media companies make money. Number 1, making money through display advertising. Display advertising is, by far, the main source of income for social media companies. Display advertisements are usually photo or video ads that are displayed within the social media platform. Having run social media ads personally for myself, I have a decent understanding how they work. Individual business, companies, and corporations pay social media companies large sums of money to show their ads to social media users. What makes social media advertising so effective is the ability to target very specific audiences with very specific ads. Or if you're selling yoga mats, you can specifically target social media users who like pages that relate to yoga. Social media companies save this type of data on every user and provide it to advertisers to make advertisements more targeted and effective. Number 2, sponsored content. Sponsored content is very much like display advertising, except with a slightly different intent behind it. Ads are ads, and most people can clearly tell the difference between an ad and a family picture. The idea behind an ad is to get you to buy something. Some ads are less pushy than others, and some ads are downright discreet or even disguised. But the overall goal behind an ad never changes. Sponsored content is slightly different in that its purpose might not be as overtly clear. For example, when sponsoring or boosting a news article or an opinion post, the intent behind the sponsored content can be less about buying something and more about persuading. When it comes to social media misinformation, disinformation, and fake news, sponsored content can be a useful tool. Sponsored content brings in less revenue for social media companies than display advertising, but it is an effective revenue stream nevertheless. Number 3, subscriptions and premium memberships. Most social media companies rely mostly on advertising revenue in order to keep their app or service free. There are some companies who offer premium paid memberships in exchange for an ad-free experience. By paying for the service or subscription or app, you are then providing the social media platform a form of monetary compensation to make up for the lost revenue they would lose by not showing you ads. For example, Spotify Premium, YouTube Premium, and Twitter Blue. Number 4, transaction fees/upcharges. Although only a small piece of the revenue pie, social media companies do have an assortment of fees and upcharges. Some examples are membership fees, transaction fees, seller fees, verification fees, and application fees for app developers. Certainly not a large chunk of revenue, but fees are worth mentioning as social media has billions of users, so fees do add up to millions of dollars. Number 5, user data mining/harvesting personal data. User data and user privacy have come to the forefront of social media concerns in the recent years. But for the first 10 years that social media was around, personal user data wasn't even a thought in the typical social media users' minds. Every click, every like, every share, time spent on certain pages, scroll time, purchase behavior, and more. This type of data has been, and still is, being collected from millions of people every day. So how is this data being used? As we discussed above, some of it is being used by advertisers to understand what time, to show what ads, to what people, in order to optimize advertising dollars and results. Number 6, venture capital. Venture capital is not a way for social media companies to make revenue directly. But venture capital is a way for social media companies to get startup investment money until the company becomes profitable on its own. Venture capital (VC) is when a private investor invests money to grow a company faster in return for a share of the business. The idea is that the venture capitalists make their money back and more when the business grows larger and becomes profitable. So this was our today's video. I hope you all liked this video. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe my channel. And also share it with your friends and family. We will be back soon with a new video. Till then, keep supporting and take care.